Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video I'm gonna show different amazing and beautiful coiling paper art. It is very amazing and stylish, and as you know, we can share different beautiful and unique paper decoration ideas, rocks art, stone art, and different paper craft videos. So it is very unique and stylish, and I hope you like it. You guys know we can share different amazing craft, different amazing coiling art, jute craft, and it is very beautiful and unique. So please do not forget my YouTube channel. Please press the bell icon and share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. And please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can share your friends and family members. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.